this is Radha, and you're watching episode 2 of Productive Each Day. So, as you can see, there is a venue change. I am at my farmhouse right now, which is in Kolhapur, Kodoli, and the weather is absolutely great. I'm sitting in the balcony right now. So yeah, let's review this week. So the theme for this week was self-care, or something that I could do that would benefit my soul or myself. So, day 6. On day 6, what the task was to find a sustainable diet plan for myself. Now this was really a struggle, and you can see why. This is day 6 of ProEd, and I'm actually in heaven right now. You wanna see? This is my view. It's perfect. So, I was really thinking about how to start this week of self-care, and then just an idea popped in my mind that diets. I've been really struggling with following a proper balanced diet for some time now. It was pretty difficult because, the lockdown almost got over right now, and food delivery, guys. So that was that. And also exercise, actually it didn't really fit inside my schedule. But now I'm going to prioritize them. For today, the goal is that I have to find a sustainable, balanced diet that suits my needs and that I can follow for more than a week. So wish me luck. So, yes, I did absolutely find out a diet plan for myself in the evening of that day. It consists of upma poha or something and food for breakfast. And for lunch, I can have something like one puri. One puri, bhaji, amti, and no. And for dinner, I can have the same meal again with someone. I think so. I can follow this plan, but I think so there are going to be many changes as coming forward, and I'll keep you updated with that. So yeah, I think so. Day 6 task was completed. Now day 7. The task for day 7 was exercise. You can see. Morning. This is day 7 of ProEd, and today's task is that I have to find a sustainable exercise plan that I can follow for more than a week. So let's get started. Actually quite productive because I used to exercise like weekly or something, but I didn't have a specific exercise plan. Yes, so this was my plan for exercise, and I'm trying to follow it currently, and I hope that I follow it for more than 21 days. Yes. Now day 7. The thing for day 7 was that it was skincare, and for that I was collaborating with my sister, which is Sakhi. You can see her now. She's edit kare. Nice. Hi. Hi. She is my sister, and she is extremely unprofessional. Say
I'm
hi.
not unprofessional. She's unprofessional. Hi.
Okay. So, moving on. For skincare, I did what Sakhi told me, and she told me as follows. Get up, Sakhi. Sakhi, get up.
हेच ते शूटिंग असणार
Oh.
ए नाही मग मला आवडायचंय
After the Sakhi incident, it started raining all of a sudden, and now I have to shoot indoors. So let's see what happens. Yes. Now Sakhi will come in here and tell you more about the collaboration and skincare. In brief. Come on, Sakhi.
Hello. Okay, so first she washed her face. मधनं edit करा. Okay. So first she washed her face, then she scrubbed her face. So it's depending on the face type you have, which product you use. But then you have to so then she used the face mask. So then you have to massage your skin with mostly aloe vera gel.
She did not do that.
Yeah. Okay, then you have to massage your face with aloe vera gel. And then okay, and after toner you have to put your moisturizer. Our skin produces natural oil, which is natural, so you can't you can't deny that, or you can't reduce it. But you can take, yeah, but you can. Our skin. Okay, so
All going into the video. Yes.
put it in the bloopers, not in the video.
The bloopers are in the video.
Like at the end.
No.
Yes, please. Okay, so a lot of oily skin type feels.
Just tell what you did.
No, a lot of oily skin type like they think that we already have oily skin type. But I didn't do that.
She just put on the pack. That's it. That's all she did.
I thought like we were going to do a video like this. How are we sitting down and doing a video? She just holding the phone and do it.
Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? No. You're done.
Yes.
Okay. Now Saki is going to leave. She just slept.
Okay. Don't forget to check out my channel.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, okay, so I have a skincare, makeup, lifestyle channel, YouTube channel. Lifestyle means I do every
Okay,
random
just-
thing in that channel. Okay, so don't forget to check it out.
Okay, yeah. Do that.
Don't forget to check it out.
Yeah.
And literally do check out that.
How can you do it unliterally?
Don't ignore this message.
Okay, do not ignore this message. She will come for you.
Check out my channel. It's really fun. It's not very informative and formal like this. This lady.
Oh.
She's not formal. She just came in the room and said, "Can we do a collab?"
I hate you. Just leave. Yeah, bye. Go! Go! I hate you. Go. Saki, go, leave. I waited. Okay. At least she is sitting on the side now. She's not sleeping. Okay. So, after that, moving back to normality. So, day 4. Not day 4. What am I? Okay. Day 9. So, day 9. Moving on to normality. Day 9. For day 9, I didn't actually shoot anything because the task was meditation. And we also had Ganpati Visarjan that day, so that I didn't get a chance to shoot my meditational process. I tried doing Isha Kriya by Sadhguru. I was sitting right here when I did it, and it was really an awesome experience. The thing is, for meditation, this environment really helped me. So when I was sitting under a tree, it helped me to concentrate and be, what is the word for it? Tranquillant or something. Yeah, like that. And for meditation, I am trying to meditate 10 minutes every day. And I hope that I can keep this routine up even if I go to Pune. When I go to Pune. So yeah, that's day 9 for you. Day 10. For day 10, the task was self-expression. And a really brilliant thing happened on day 10. What happened was that I was shooting an introduction video for a students' legislative conference. And for that, I was going to dance on my narration. And the thing was that I was planning to shoot this video for 4 days. For literally 4 days. From Monday. And for some reason that my dad couldn't make it. He's the videographer, by the way. He couldn't make it, or my mom couldn't make it, or I couldn't make it because of the Ganpati. So I was really frustrated when the shooting got postponed like 6 times. And finally, but the last time when I was like really confident it should happen today, it's going to happen today, and my father told me that please can we do the shooting at 12, and I was like okay, yeah, we can do it at 12. But then I came, it was like 10 a.m. at that time. I came into the balcony and I saw the clouds, and I had a feeling that it was going to rain, and I legitimately was extremely scared that it was going to rain and I still won't be able to record the video. So I had all that negativity in my mind and something, and my dad came forward and I told him, we rehearsed for a while, I told him how to take the shots for like half an hour, and at the exact moment that we started to shoot, it started to rain. Exact moment. I was like, no, this cannot happen. It was like sunny like 2 seconds ago. I was really frustrated. But then I went inside and I was really like, I had a moment, okay? I had a moment of realization. And this is my self-expression talk. Is that I said that perhaps the shooting not happening before wasn't my fault. That it didn't happen, it wasn't my fault. But if the shooting didn't happen today, it will be my fault. Because I wasn't ready, because I was negative, and because I didn't try hard enough. So what I did is that I came back and I said that let's record in the rain. What happens? It would be a great experience. I was gonna dance. Perhaps it would bring up more emotions than it should. I was like, yes, let's do this. And I was so positive at that moment. And I went outside and suddenly the rain stopped. Like literally suddenly the rain stopped. And the sun shined over me. I'm pretty sure this was all a giant coincidence. But it felt good. It felt like, yes, what you do really matters. So that was my moment of self-expression. Yes, I guess that's it. 5 days done of self-care. In this week, I realized that everybody does what they can do for self-care. But the most important factor is consistency. Because I can exercise for a day, I can have a diet plan for a day, but if I'm not consistent in my work, it doesn't amount to anything. So what I'm going to do is try to record my journey, my fitness journey, my meditation journey, my self-care journey as much as I can, and to keep you guys updated. So in a way, this week wasn't just a week. It's still continuing, and perhaps will for the end of my life. Hopefully, till the end of my life. So yes, I guess that's self-care for you. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked the video. Also subscribe to her channel because she's looking at me. Okay.
I'm a fun lady, guys. You need me. Edit that.
Yeah. So if you need a collaboration with Sakhi again, do tell me in the comments and perhaps we can make it happen. Okay? So yes, see you next time.